Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in structure. Pick normal text and create heading styles so formatting cascades. Open File Page Setup to set size, orientation, and margins. This prevents layout shifts later. Next, clear direct formatting by selecting all and applying normal text. That gives you a clean baseline. Once done, define paragraph spacing and line height in format line and paragraph spacing so headings and body align. Doing this now saves time when you change themes or export. You now standardize elements. Update each paragraph style from the Format menu and choose Update Heading to match selection so all headings change together. For lists, select the text and use increase/decrease indent or convert bullets to numbered lists to preserve hierarchy. Update font size, weight, and color through the style editor so every instance follows the same rule. That's why themes reduce manual fixes. Make sure to check line spacing and widow/orphan effects visually as you proceed. You finish by validating layout. Inspect headers, footers, and page or section breaks so page-level formatting is correct. If some paragraphs still act wrong, select them and use clear formatting or paste as plain text, then reapply styles. This removes hidden overrides. Finally, export to PDF to confirm pagination and fonts. If things go wrong, remember the quick troubleshooting tip. Undo to a known good version or use version history to restore a stable state and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.